Hello and good evening, everyone, from Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This evening, I am going to show you one of the prettiest 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtops that I probably ever laid my eyes on. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Red and that off-white. This thing is immaculate. Inside, outside, underneath, in the trunk, under the hood. Man, this car is absolutely splendid. What a beautiful ride. Full off, body off, frame off, rotisserie restoration, nut and bolt. Every single thing on this car has been replaced or gone through. What a gorgeous automobile. This is in my opinion, this is a 99 out of 100 point show car. You can take this car to the Super Chevy, you can take this car anywhere, have it judged, and this car will do well. It is absolutely gorgeous in every way. Has a 265 engine in it with the power pack, 4-barrel carburetor, the chrome, the stainless, everything on this car is just absolutely beautiful. The interior, I know I got a few shadows in here. It's a work in progress here. I got my new showroom up and going here. We're not completely done with it, but beautiful door panels. Carpet, look at the carpet, look at the seats, the dashboard, the headliner. I mean, just everything about this car is just top notch. The whole underneath the car, floor pans all red epoxy primered. Even has Continental kit on the back of it. Inside the trunk is just absolutely gorgeous. It's got 1955 license plates on it. I'll open the trunk up for you so you can see that. There's the inside of the trunk. All that's painted just like it should be. The insulators under the trunk, the seals, everything brand new. Man, what a pretty car. Really gonna have a hard time selling this car. It's just such a pristine 55 two-door hardtop. It'll be tough to see this one go. Fender skirts, Coker wide whites, the right bumpers on it. Paint is just as nice as you could ever ask for. To be honest with you, I haven't detailed this car. I didn't even put a rag on this car. It came in, a friend of mine dropped it off last Sunday. I had it at my house. I drove it in here. It rained on Monday. I drove it to work on Tuesday and give my daughter a ride to school in it. And it still has some few bugs on the front of it and a few bugs on the windshield, but I figured it's such a gorgeous car. Nobody's gonna even see that or care if it had a couple bugs on it. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check that out. Man, what a beautiful ride. Try to go slow and show you everything. All the headliner bows are all brand new. All the dome lights work. Look at that steering wheel. Man, this is back when they made cars. 1,962 miles. I'm guessing that's how many miles are on it since the restoration. Starts up and runs like purrs like a kitten. Dash lights work. Bright headlight indicator. Left turn signal. You can see it working out there. Right turn signal. You can see that one. Napkin holder. Got a receiver in there for the radio. I haven't figured it out. It probably has a Bluetooth radio in this car because it's got four really nice speakers across the package tray in the back there. And horn works, lighter works. Vacuum operated wipers work. Beautiful ride, everybody. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. Please give us a call if you're interested in buying this 55 Chevy or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock. We have over 125 collector cars in stock. Really like to sell you something, or if you're interested in selling us your collector car, please do not hesitate to give us a call. I'd always love to talk cars with people. I'm telling you, the car is near flawless. Beautiful, beautiful ride. If it don't sell pretty soon, it's just gonna have to go home in my garage, I think. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. I hope everyone has a great weekend Friday evening. Have a great night. Talk to you later, guys.